Outstanding.
Welcome again to another tutorial video. It's first of its kind. What we have to do in this video is make a guitar type beat. I'm going to make it the typical way how you hear it being made in dancehall music. So I'll be doing a few the typical way and a few in the most playable way, like similar to guitar and stuff like that. So the most typical way we hear guitar beat in a dancer is like playing it like one chord style, like strum like. And the other way you can really hear it is one melodic way, like how you hear people now play a guitar from time to time, melodic way. So in really and truly, guitar beat supposed to be melodic, because a lot of people, I haven't have a strong point in, or some people don't have a strong point in making melodies. Even I myself, I try to keep things simple, so I'm not uh, I'm not melody savvy, but we can get it done to make that guitar type beat. So as we say, I'm gonna make it the typical way like you would hear in a dancehall music, strum like. So what I've done here is select nylon G modern harmonics, guitar. Um, I don't think I want to use that. I don't think nobody want to use that. I'll try that one here. Yeah, this one have more body to it. So let me try this one. And what I want to do here is just mark it as favorites so we can find it, but quick and easy. So I'm going to change the scale highlighting and put it to try F sharp, natural minor. Here we go on. Now as we said, we just so make it the typical way you would hear the dancer beat. So come here, come about 98 or let's stay at 99. Just start off with a basic triad. And you try stick with 4 chords, or probably 5. Two, 3, 4, 5. Suspend this one. Chop this. And I'm going to do this back same way. And have it there. And we'll copy this, put it so, and see if it makes sense. What I'm gonna do, so this is 1 chord, 2 chord, 3, and drop back to 1, but I'm going to duplicate it and change up this one and pitch it up. sound delay a little. So alright, so what I'm gonna do is go to File and Tools, click on Strum, and make the timing a little bit off, like. Now chop the chords in. Make it slide off, so like. So accept. So when I zoom in now, you slightly play one strum where you like. So all of the notes I'm not really play one time, but here now what I'm gonna do is go up on the little box cutter here and chop off the end note them, so you know really go over there and mess up what me they do. Alright, so I'm gonna sort of EQ this a little bit. I'm gonna sort of take off the lows, take off some of the low mids. Take off some of the highs. Alright, so what we're going to do now, in this now, I'm going to use one different guitar, one hollow body guitar, and add the melody to it. You know, we just keep the melody simple as is. I'm not going to really overdo it. So just wait for this to load. Yeah, so it load up on now. So what I'm going to do is make the melody them off of this and then pitch it up. Alright, so so I'm just gonna copy this and put it there. Alright, so change the note here. Alright, so you know, you see they get variance a melody. Alright, so turn up, turn up, turn up. So I'm going to pitch it down on octave. And what I'm going to do, as we said, hell just happened? Alright, so I'm also deal with the groover now. See if we can use something for the modern dance. Let me use this tight kick. Let's all keep it one weird way. Let's skip it. And keep that one behind now. Too close. Let me try that. See what I want to say. Alright, so liking this so far. So what I'm gonna do here is copy, I'll copy this or so. I'll copy this or so, copy this or so. And what I'm gonna do here so, piano roll here so. Yep. And what I'm gonna do here also is copy this. Yeah, so everything seems like it's in the right place. Alright, so more add one flute. So me add the Persian flute, like the Persian flute. Persian. And see if we can get a nice vibe going on. So me this so low? Alright, so alright, so I'm gonna lay it with that. And what I'm gonna do now is, alright, so I'm gonna take out the Persian nail for this, and we'll go add add this to it and kind of a beat sound beautiful. See if we can. This so low. Alright, let me see if it makes sense in context or no. But I think more at the descend. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is probably not an arpeggiated song, but maybe I'll get the bass line out of the way. Alright, so kick bass line we want in this particular beat. So we go to Chilean, sim bass, browser patch, and we go use the same bass again. 106 club sound. What I'm gonna do, take off the iron. Alright, so so copy what this and put them on the appropriate key. Yep, them on the appropriate key. Alright, so we'll put this at 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so alright, so this guitar, I think I'll put like one reverb on it, one big one. Pre-delay, don't pre-delay upon this. Oh, pre-delay 70 milliseconds, so I don't upon it that much, so I'm gonna turn on the wet signal. Alright, so I want something for full out the back of the rhythm, so I want a pad sound, kind of thicken it up a little bit, so sound try this one I may have, if it do work. So I'm just gonna copy this and paste what this here, lock this and solo up this to synth-ish. Try this one. Yeah, just little something to follow the back part of the rhythm. Why for the back part still, but your overs. Take too long to start. Delete that. Yes, so I guess that's about it for this particular beat, and I hope you really like and enjoyed this beat making guitar video. And you know, this is the typical where you really hear all the guitar them play in a dancehall music. But there are variants of ways that you really can do it. But I'll be doing more beats where the simplest ways as how you really hear it playing a dancehall music. And we'll also do a couple of videos, with a couple other techniques and a couple other ways you can really do and get guitar beats done. And I'll be sure to give you a method where you can really use to try to get your guitar beats them right all the time. So hope you enjoy this particular beat. If you want to listen the full mixed and mastered version of this particular beat, it will be available on my beats channel. So please do check the link in the description below so you can really hear this beat at its fullest. So just joy rhythm.